I've got no idea what this is gonna look like, but basically I am moving into my new house today.
She my pineapple, yeah.
So, hello everybody, good morning. I have just moved in to my new flat and I'm so happy. So I thought first thing I'd do is like show you around my room now I've kind of got it all sorted. This isn't the final thing, so you know I will do a room tour closer to when uni starts again, but I thought I'd just start with this. So, this is my room. My bed. I forgot my pillows for this weekend, so I've been sleeping on my cushions. This is my big window. This is like the dream, isn't it, to have a massive window like that. This is my bookcase. So far, I've got my record player here. I will eventually plug that in, but I don't seem to have brought my lead for that, which is a bit thick. And then some vinyl, and then yeah, all bookshelfy things. I won't go into too much depth. Got my teddies here as always. This is where I'm keeping my filming stuff, I've decided, and my exercise things, because it's just like a little corner that you can't actually see unless you're like right here, so that works fine. This is my wardrobe, which I'm gonna cover with photos today. These are some flowers Emma bought me. I love them so much. Pink roses are my favorite flower, so that kind of worked out. And this is my fireplace, which is my favorite bit of the room. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. So again, some flowers Emma bought me and a gorgeous little card. All my little ornaments and jewelry things. In the fireplace, I've got some more like ornaments. And then this is my desk so far. I've not got all my desky things, but I'm keeping like my books under the desk so far, and this is all stuff that like I need to take home. It's basically my room so far. I'm so happy. It's so much bigger than it looked in the photos, which is a relief, because the person who was in here before, they had like a big thing here. So the person who was in here before, they had like a massive rail here, which made the room look really small because it blocked off all this gorgeous bit of floor space. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the bed like further this way and then put a rail on the other side. All the stuff I need to take downstairs. But this is our living room. I'm not gonna show you the other girls' rooms. Oh wait, I can show you the big room downstairs because it hasn't got her stuff in it at the moment. But this is our living room, which I guess is quite small. We've got a bit of a burn mark on the floor here, apparently. Not excellent. The house has many issues. Like, many issues that we are slowly working on. And this is my bathroom, really. This is a little bathroom. And these are our stairs. I think it's quite an old house. This door is like blocked off, so I think I might get something today to like decorate this. We did talk about doing that as a flat, so I might like make a head start on that. This is the big bedroom that I'm very jealous of. It's got huge windows, and yeah, I'm super jealous of this room. Look at the marble fireplace in this room. Ugh, I want it so much. I'm gonna be coming in here a lot, Melissa. And then this is our kitchen, which honestly, I love it so much. Look at these flowers Emma bought. Emma is just the best. Oven, like I say, currently not functioning, but the hob works. We don't have a microwave, which I might have a look for today because the microwave is pretty staple, and also a toaster. Basically, it's a really big kitchen, which was quite a big draw-in for us. We like that a lot. And then down here is the big bathroom. I have this mirror, which is like customized. I feel like we should bring, can you see how short I am? So I'm just walking around Camden High Street, which is where I live. And I'm having so much fun. So let me show you what I just bought in the shops. So this morning I just had a quick walk around to get some things that I needed. So in the charity shop next door I found these 2 books. This is A Suitable Boy, which has been on BBC at the moment, and I've heard lots of people say that I need to read it or watch it or whatever, but I'm a reader, so I figured I may as well. And as I saw it and it was £1, I thought, may as well get it if I don't read it now, because it's a fat book, like a fat novel. If I don't read it now, I have it for when I want to. And then this White Sargasso Sea, I've wanted to read ever since I read Jane Eyre, but I've never managed to get my hands on it. And again, this was £1, and this is such a beautiful copy, so I'm really pleased with my books. And then I got some command hooks and blue tack to put the things up in my room now. She got it. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put my photos on my wardrobe because I think it's gonna do the least damage than putting it on the walls. Like if I put it blue tack on the walls, I feel like it's gonna come off. So this is a good option for photos, I think. Why have I got my light on? No! Electricity! Ah! We're off to a good start. Okay, that kind of worked. The queen.
Sour mood. I need another double. She got it attitude. I call her pineapple. She's sweet with sour mood. I guess she's all I'm after.
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it.
On this side I've got like pictures of people I love and inspirations and quotes which are very important to me in a sort of collage style. And on this side I've got prints from the National Gallery. I kind of like that it's not symmetrical. I really like not symmetrical sort of looking stuff because I'm a messy person, so like organized mess really works for me. I just don't like trying to put up photos like really neatly.
Wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words. Well, it's not your best.
So I'm just gonna get some lunch. I'm not particularly hungry because I had all that chocolate like 2 minutes ago, but I've got the leftovers from my lunch yesterday, so I think I'll just do this.
But you wanted me for a good time when you said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear who you were before was just
ridiculously difficult to do. I had to crawl, and that was hard. Get a hold of a package that I missed this morning. God knows how. I reckon they must have like knocked and we just didn't hear. But that's twice that's happened now. So I tried to collect it, but it closed at 2 on a Saturday. So annoying.
I didn't care, it was your birthday.
Not enough people take pictures of themselves for it to be normal, but you're like taking a picture of yourself, and that makes things very awkward. Is not made for people who are my height. It is too, I can't. Ah! I made fire. I know that's not that exciting, it's just that I've never had a gas cooker before. Confirmed I'm not very good at cooking with a gas thingy. Not a clue what I'm doing. Got a clue what I'm doing. That I can do. Ooh, that smells so good. There are quite a few things that we don't actually have at the moment. So we don't have a kettle, we don't have a toaster, we don't have a microwave, we don't have a Hoover, various cleaning supplies, like there's lots that we have to get. The kettle is very difficult. My pasta just is not, it's not heating up. Oh, it's boiling now, yay. How do I turn this down? Does anybody, like, know? Ah, that's how I turn it down. Okay. I'm not a let's time my pasta type person. I'm a stirry, see how it feels, see how it tastes kind of pasta person. If you're like I'm a timing person or I'm a looking person, it says a lot about who you are and like how you deal with your life and the world. Like, do you micromanage? Do you go with the flow? Do you think you know what you're doing but end up messing up because you think you know what you're doing? I feel like that one's me. That's definitely me. I think I'm going to turn it up. Can I do that? Ooh, I like this gas cooker thing. It's so easy. I am a domestic goddess. That's not. No. I don't know why I'm using the one that's furthest away from me, but it's what I felt like doing at the time, apparently. So let's open the prints that I got today. It says "Do you like an owl?" So I bought these 3 from a stall that was in this marketplace, not Camden Market, but it is a market in Camden. It's like the new box market that opened up, so I got these 3 for the flat in general. I think this one's my favorite. I love this.
Yeah, I cut off the signal, dead.
So that's radio control?
Fault control.
I like that I have Taylor next to me. Good night. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. My first day in Camden is kind of over. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want updates, follow me on Facebook. If you want to see more of my face, check me out on Instagram. And if you want to make it a better place, follow me on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.
Good.